Hi guys, welcome. If you're planning a trip to Bangkok, you'll quickly discover that getting around this vibrant city can be an adventure in itself. From bustling streets to sprawling tourist hotspots, the city offers a rich variety of public transport options. Today, let's walk through the best ways to navigate Bangkok, from the airports to the lively heart of the city, and everything in between. Bangkok has two main airports, Suvarnabhumi and Don Mueang. Both have well-connected transport options, making your arrival or departure pretty smooth. Suvarnabhumi Airport, BKK, is served by the Airport Rail Link. This train connects you to the city center quickly, with stops along the way that link to the BTS Skytrain system, perfect if you want to avoid the city's notorious traffic jams. For a more direct ride, taxis are always available. They're metered, but be sure to ask the driver to use the meter to avoid surprises. Shuttle buses and airport limos are other options, providing more comfort but at a higher price. I've linked a map of the airport in the description to find which floor you need to find your transport options. Don Mueang Airport, DMK, is a bit older and smaller, but still well connected. You can catch the A1 and A2 buses that run between the airports and Mo Chit BTS and MRT stations, or grab a taxi. I've linked a map of the airport in the description to find which floor to find which transport you need. Once you're in Bangkok, the BTS Skytrain and MRT subway are the most efficient ways to slip through the city's pulse. Both systems are clean, air-conditioned, and run frequently. BTS Skytrain covers the main north-south corridor and the Sukhumvit line, which is perfect for tourists who want to head to popular spots like Siam Square, Chatuchak Markets, or Asak. MRT subway covers east-west routes, connecting areas like Hua Lamphong train station and the vibrant Chinatown. Buses, Bangkok also has an extensive bus network. It's cheap, but can be confusing for a first-timer due to the number of routes and busy traffic. Riverboats, the Chao Phraya Express Boats, are a scenic and often overlooked way to explore riverside gems like the Grand Palace, Wat Arun, and Icon Siam. Tuk-tuks and motorcycle taxis. These are iconic, but best for short distances, or when you want that authentic Bangkok experience. Quick tip with taxis and motorbikes: ask and confirm the price. Have small cash ready to use. If you can, track your journey. Paying fares in Bangkok is pretty straightforward, but varies by transport type. BTS and MRT, you can buy single journey tokens, or more conveniently, reload a rabbit card for BTS or MRT card. These prepaid cards save time and sometimes offer small discounts. Buses and boats, payment is usually done on board with cash. Make sure to keep small notes or coins handy. Taxis and tuk-tuks always have some cash ready and confirm approximate fares beforehand if possible. When in doubt, a little planning goes a long way. Here are some great resources to bookmark. Airport Rail Link and BTS website for schedules, maps, and ticket info. MRT Bangkok official site offers route maps and fare calculators. Bangkok Transport Authority, their site provides up-to-date news on all public transport in the city. Thai Tourism Authority, great for tips on how to get around tourist districts more easily. Bangkok may seem daunting at first, with its busy streets and endless options, but with these transport methods, you'll find your rhythm. Whether you glide above the traffic on the BTS, weave through markets on a boat, or hop into a tuk-tuk for a quick buzz, each ride brings you closer to the heartbeat of this incredible city. So, pack your sense of adventure, grab your travel card or a handful of baht, and get ready to explore Bangkok your way. Thanks so much for sticking around until the end. If you found something here that sparked your curiosity or even just made your day a little bit better, that truly means the world to me. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you won't miss what's coming next. There are plenty more stories and ideas on the way. And hey, I'd love to hear what you think. Drop a comment below, share your thoughts, or just say hi. This community feels alive because of you. Take care, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.